So this is a model basically demonstrating the plantar fascia would be the bottom strip here along the table, and this would be your arch structure, and then this would be your big toe right here that would move upward. So when you're walking, normally what happens is before your foot hits the ground, your toes are a little bit upward like this. That's putting a little bit of tension through your plantar fascia, which is very healthy. And then as you hit the floor, what happens is your toe's going to come down and your foot's going to elongate a little bit. You see how that happens, how the arch goes down when we step down on the floor? The body weight is going to cause elongation of that foot. Now, that does not put a lot of tension through the plantar fascia at that point. But what happens then is your big toe is going to start to move upward. And as we do that, you can see that the arch gets quite a bit higher. Okay? Now, this event right here is when tension is applied to the plantar fascia. And that tension is very, very important to the normal functioning of your foot and to the stability of all of your toes.